Welcome to Many Tales. Welcome.
Hello friends, I'm Roshan and this is my friend Bunny.
Hi everyone.
Today we are learning numbers from 1 to 10.
This is number 1. Say it with me. Wonder 1. This is number 2. 2. This is number 3. 3. This is number 4. This is number 5. 5. This is number 6. 6. This is number 7. 7. This is number 8. This is number 9. 9. 9. This is number 10. 10.
See you soon on Mini Tales World. Don't forget to subscribe and watch more fun stories.